Okay, so what I did was I basically practiced, but if you're going to do an auction for your website, you would log into the dashboard here. This is the dashboard. This is what you see when you log in. Everything you need is over to your left right here. All this stuff right here. So what we're going to do is if we click WP Auctions, wait for it to load, and it basically loads. These are just settings that I'll fill out for you guys if you decide to use this system. But you would go to New Auction, and once you click New Auction, it comes up. You basically put the title here. Then you would put the description here, which I'm just going to copy over from the other page. And then you would take the file, the images. I saved them to my desktop. And you would choose file, click on choose file, and these are all from my desktop. I saved them in a folder called auction photos. They're all right here. So I would choose the file that I want to use as my #1 picture, and then I would pick a starting price, $10,000, and then if it has a date that you want it to end on, pick a date, or if it's gonna run until forever, then you know, just pick a date, flip through sometime next year or whatever. And then here's the categories, which I'll show you how to add the categories in a second, but I added retail properties because that's what that property looked like to me. And then you could do the payment method, which is PayPal, bank wire transfer, check, or money order. You don't really need to mess with this. Shipping price, what I did was I took these three things here, what I took was these three things, these things here, the broker fee, so I copied that over, put this in line 1, okay, put this in line 2, the buyer's premium, and then the down payment. And I could change, if you guys decide to go with this, I can change all the wording, the shipping from, all this can be changed to fit your needs. I'll do the programming for that. If you want somebody to be able to buy it now, say you're selling it for $300,000, you can put that price in right here. Now, a reserve price, you could do the same thing. Say you want to get at least $275 for it, you would put that there. Okay, and then if you want to start it today, you put today's date. If you want to start it next week, you would put next week. Okay, now you can add 3 extra images here. So I'm just gonna choose these, and I'm pretty sure you can add more than 3 images. And then I click add auction. Okay, so we clicked on add auction, and this is the screen that gets brought up. It shows the different images here. Unfortunately, you'll only be able to add 4 images. If you need to add more images, we could probably work something out with that to fix that. I emailed the person that makes this plugin. There's no monthly fees, so you wouldn't have to worry about that. Now, so what happens when you after you add the auctions? Well, basically this is the page that you're presented with after you click. We'll just go back to the front page of SVN real quick. This is the front page of SVN. You click on auctions, and it brings you to this page right here, which I can style it, make it look different. But basically we have two different auctions right here listed. Here's the images, and I only used small images because that's what I had. But if you add bigger images, it'll have a small image here, and then when you click on this, it will bring up a bigger image. But I only had small images to work with. So it tells us the starting bid is at 10,000. The description is here. Here's the category. Here's the details we entered. The broker fee, the down payment, the buyer's premium, and it says winner will receive payment details via email. If you want to bid, it says this auction's not open yet, and this will show you the bids. Or if you want to watch it and stay updated, if you're a user, then basically you can put your email address there, click submit, and they'll be able to watch the details. Another cool feature is if you go to the SVN Cincinnati, this is the new website, the demo. It has a little, these are called widgets here in the sidebar. This is called the sidebar area, and this is a widget that I loaded. See, here's without the widget loaded. You just get this area here. And then this is the back end. These are the widgets, which pretty much I would control or add if you needed them. But this is the widget for the auction. It's got the title there. Basically, you can click on bid now. So you click on bid now, and this comes up. It's got the different pictures here, plus other auctions. You can go ahead and set your bid, or you can buy it now. If you set the price in the beginning for the, remember we set the buy it now for 300 grand. And you can look at the bids if anybody bid on it, or you can watch the auction. So that's what happens there. Now if there was multiple auctions, we only have the one running right now, then you would see them here. But it's all integrated. No matter what page you go to, you'll be able to see the different auctions. So that's a cool feature. And it's not set, if we want to set it in the blog area, we would just set it here.